Welcome back to Perdido Key Gaming. Today we've got another collector booster from Edge of Eternities. Going back to the struggle session of opening one of these. Yep. It's always a struggle. At least for me. Maybe I should beef up. Bolts on the top. Burst, pilot, gear, coordinator, wayfarer. Squadron Ace, Modifier, Monolith Sentry, Elite, a Sparkly Forest, Weapons Manufacturing, Moxite Refinery, Pinnacle Storage, Terrain Generator, Lumen Class Frigate, and an art card. How about that? That's it in this pack. So what's good? Something serialized would be nice, but I can't remember. Do they even have it? But got your biosynthetic burst and instant, put a +1/+1 counter, gets reach, trample, and indestructible, and untap it. Starter fighter pilot whenever it becomes tapped, surveil 1. Melt Strider's gear is an artifact equipment when it enters attached to a creature, which is handy. +2/+1, especially for 1 mana. Flight Deck Coordinator, Human Soldier. At the beginning of your end step, if you control 2 or more tapped creatures, gain 2 life. And create a lander token. And when this guy enters, a big long text block here, but find a spacecraft card. Do some other stuff. Molecular Modifiers, a Kabu Artificer. At the beginning of your combat on your turn, target creature you control gets +1/+0 first strike. And Defending 4/1 Robot. Blood Broodguard Elite Insect Knight enters with X +1/+1 counters on it. And it's one of these Galaxy foil islands. Fine looking art piece for Cosmo Grand Zenith. And then of course your rares probably going to get what? Total of 5. Lumen class frigate, spacecraft, 3/5 for 2. It's got that station mechanic. Terrain generator, unfoily, but you add no colorless mana, and you can put basic land card from your hand on the battlefield tapped. Meh. The Star Cage is an artifact for 3. When it enters, exile all artifacts and creatures with mana value 2 or less until it leaves the battlefield. Then commander card, you got an artifact again. And weapons manufacturing, and whenever a non-token artifact you control enters, create another artifact token named munitions. When it leaves the battlefield, deals 2 damage to any target. So that's why it's a weapons manufacturing depot. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you the next time.